And these aren't just random dates floating around. This all falls under the umbrella of Government Land Sale, GLS 2H 2025. For those less familiar, what's the broader significance of a GLS program for this area?
Well, it signals strategic, long-term governmental planning. GLS is essentially how the government releases land for private development. It's meticulously timed and planned. For Chuan Park, it indicates a strong belief in the area's growth potential, and it ensures a structured rather than, haphazard development of the precinct.
Which naturally leads to the big market questions the source material itself raises, like what's the tender price, what market will be, launch price will be.
Exactly, the crystal ball questions.
And then the really intriguing comparison. Do you think Chuan Park will look cheap when the Bayshore site is launched? It's all about future value, isn't it?
That's precisely where the Chuan Park advantage comes into sharp focus. The sources position it with this wonderfully colloquial yet insightful phrase: "We are same, but not the same city fringe."
That phrase really jumps out. What exactly does that mean for a buyer? How does being not the same city fringe actually translate into a unique kind of value for them?
It means Chuan Park is in the OCR, or outside central region. Unlike the more premium core central region, the CCR, or even the rest of central region, RCR. OCR often means you get more, well, bang for your buck.
Right. More space, maybe.
Potentially larger units, yes, more family-friendly amenities often, and sometimes a stronger, more established community feel. This can translate to consistent demand and healthy rental yields for a different kind of buyer or tenant, someone who values space and lifestyle over maybe a central, often pricier address.
And to anchor that value in a concrete figure, the Chuan Park land bid came in at 1,058 PSF PPR. Could you quickly unpack what PSF PPR means and why this specific figure is so relevant when we look at the latest OCR land bids?
Certainly. PSF PPR stands for per square foot per plot ratio. It's a key metric in development. Represents the cost a developer pays for the land based on its maximum allowable gross floor area. That 1,058 PSF PPR figure for Chuan Park is crucial because it sets a foundational price point for the existing development.
Influencing future prices.
Exactly. And it becomes a vital benchmark when comparing it against other new land bids happening in the OCR. It gives you a clear sense of its inherent value, sort of its starting point. Now, when we look at specific unit types, the sources zero in on a few standouts. The 2+ study in Stack 19, for instance, is highlighted for its excellent value proposition.
The plus study is always popular.
It really is.
Huh.
Think about it. For a comparable price point, you're gaining that flexible extra study space, a premium feature. Nearby resale options like Jadescapes or Sky Habitat's 2 beds might not offer that within their